Hello everyone and welcome back to Mixy Videos by Sam. Today our video is about Halloween dye decorations in schools. So Halloween dye decoration in schools or preschools can be a fun and engaging way to celebrate the Halloween season. These decorations can help create a festive atmosphere and provide an opportunity for students to express their creativity. Here are some ideas for Halloween dye decorations in school or preschool. The first one, paper jack-o'-lantern, that student can create their own jack-o'-lantern using orange construction paper. They can cut out pumpkin shapes and then draw or glue on facial features. These can be hung up on the walls or displayed on the classroom window. The second one is spooky silhouettes. Students can create spooky silhouettes of bats, cats, witches, or other Halloween themed objects using black construction papers, as you can see in our video. So these can be cut out and then tapped or glued onto windows or walls to create a haunting effect. The third one is ghostly garlands. Students can make ghost shaped cutouts using white construction paper. They can then string these cutouts together to create a ghostly garlands that can be hung up in the classroom or hallway. The fourth one is spider webs. Students can create spider webs using white yarn or string. They can start by tying a knot in the centers and then crisscrossing the yarn on string to create a web-like pattern. Plastic spiders can be added for an extra spooky touch. So now let's talk about Halloween is celebrated in schools. Halloween is celebrated in schools for several reasons. Firstly, it provides an opportunity to students to engage in creative activities and imagination. It also allows them to learn about different cultures and traditions, as Halloween has in its roots in various ancient festivals. Moreover, celebrating Halloween in schools promotes a sense of community and inclusivity. It brings students, teachers, and staff together to participate in fun activities such as costume contest, pumpkin carving, or Halloween themed games. This helps create a positive and enjoyable learning environment. Additionally, Halloween celebration in schools often incorporate educational elements. Teachers can use this occasion to teach students about the history and origins of Halloweens, as well as related topics like autumn, harvest festivals, and folklore. Overall, celebrating Halloween in schools provide a chance for students to have fun, be creative, and learn about different aspects of this festive holiday. That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you like our video. See you soon. Goodbye.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.